This video number 2, is for activating EZ LADDER Toolkit versions 1.2.5.11 and older on a computer that you already ran and completed the EZ LADDER installation and just need to activate. If you are needing to install and activate EZ LADDER Toolkit, refer to video number 1, EZ LADDER Install and Activation. As the legacy license activation is no longer available, this is the only way to activate an installed EZ LADDER Toolkit, version 1.2.5.11 and older. If you are installing a version newer than 1.2.5.11, then no activation or activation file is required. Use the menu at the top and hover over Standard Products, then select EZ LADDER to open the EZ LADDER page. From this page, you will download the EZ LADDER Toolkit license file. The license file shown for the P-Series EZ LADDER Toolkit and the M-Series EZ LADDER Toolkit are the same. Click the plus to the left of either of the license for activation to expand the box and then click the Download License File button. This will download a zip file containing the license to your PC. With the license zip file downloaded, go to your downloads. You will need to extract the license file from the license.xml.zip file. The license file must be extracted before it can be used. For this example, I will use 7-zip to extract the file. The next step is to copy and replace the license XML file that was created when EZ LADDER Toolkit was installed. This file is stored in a hidden folder, /program data, so it is recommended that you have administrative permissions on your PC. This assumes that the program data folder is hidden, as it is by Windows default. Open a File Explorer window and select the C drive. Click the View tab at the top of the File Explorer window. Locate and click the Options menu item, typically on the right-hand side at the top. The Folder Options window should open. Click the View tab in this window, the middle tab. This will display the view settings and options that Windows is using. Locate the Hidden Files and Folders options and select the Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Click the OK button. The window will close. Close this window and then open a new File Explorer window to refresh the view. You should now be able to see the Program Data folder, C:\program data. Expand the Program Data folder to see the subfolders. Expand the Divulbis Corporation subfolder and click on the EZ LADDER Toolkit folder. Inside the folder, the originally installed license file should appear as either license or license.xml, depending upon your other file type viewing options. Go to your downloads and select the license.xml file that was downloaded and unzipped earlier. Copy the file to the clipboard. In the Program Data /Divulbis Corporation /EZ LADDER Toolkit folder, paste the downloaded license.xml file and when asked, select Replace the file in the destination, overwrite the file. You will likely see a dialog requiring administrator permission. Click the Continue button. This completes the installation of an active license file. EZ LADDER should be fully functional.